This is Ross in Atlanta, your go-to Ford and Lincoln guy. I'm here at one of our North Atlanta Ford and Lincoln dealerships, giving you a quick drive-through tour just to give you an idea of the inventory we got to move. Anything you need, we got it on site. If not, we can get it. Quick run through here. This is our extra storage lot. All the Lincolns and fleet Fords. See all the Navigators here. Aviators here. Couple Super Duties waiting for pickup. Over here you can see we got a good amount of Transits, all shapes and sizes, ready to work. Couple cop cars this way. Couple cab chassis waiting for bodies, 450s, 350s, more cop cars, 550 flatbeds, all the Transits, all shapes, sizes, and colors you need, high, medium, low roof, 8,000 pound crane, 550, ready to work. What else we got hiding back here? Another cop car, another single cab XL 250 work truck. Just going around. See right here we're building my nice fancy new commercial vehicle center. All this construction we have to navigate around. Let's continue on with the tour, hands and feet inside. Back way here. This is another overflow lot. A lot of vehicles that just came in, some courtesy deliveries, some of our mobile service units over there, more fleet units ready to go out. Couple fresh units in from the plant. Service and detail area back there. Some new cars here. Just came in from the factory. Waiting to get inspection and detail for the lot. Some just in on fresh trade. Needing some reconditioning before it gets put out on the lot or sent to auction. The Transit, bright blue F8 Cruiser trade-in. Back behind the fence there's some vehicles waiting for service. Fast forward past this here. Bunch of nice new cars waiting for PDI detail and a new loving home or a new job to start working. There's our accounting building there. There's our service building and parts department up here. All these babies ready to start work. A nice new fleet center from the ground up, heavy duty lifts. So, parts, service, all that. There's all the new Fords up here. Expeditions, Explorers. Nice new Lincolns ready to be sold. used inventory, more new Lincolns, more nice brand new Fords, fancy Bronco Raptors, some custom built Ford trucks, units ready for delivery. Couple fresh trade Teslas. Here's our nice new line of Ford trucks. Everything from Raptors, Lightning, XL, STX, XLT, you know them all. Used truck line here. Let me see. It's all new inventory here. Continuing on our truck line. Bronco Sports, Explorers, Escapes, Edges. More new trucks. It's a Super Duty Lariat. Nice new inventory. Needing a loving home. The Expeditions. Check out the rest of our channel. If you need a Ford or Lincoln, give me a call or text at 404-729-1374.